Today I'm taking a look at the VEVOR pipe bender. Okay. So we got a quick and simple user manual, which is really all you need for something like this. But we got a ton of different dies, so that's very nice. Now it does feel like these are definitely plastic, but you can see they got a lot of structure in here, and it is fairly thick-walled plastic, which is good. And it definitely feels rigid. So this is, I mean, it's plastic, but it's a fairly durable plastic. We can also see that it's marked, so we know exactly what this is for. But the important thing about a pipe bender is that it can actually grab and support that pipe. So if you take some pipe and you try to bend it a little bit, you can probably get that thing to bend, but it might kink, and then you might destroy it. If that pipe kinks, you just got to throw it away and you got to buy new pipe. So that gets pretty expensive pretty quick. You can see it's got walls on both sides. So that's going to support the pipe to make sure that it doesn't expand out. So as you're bending it, it has nowhere to go except for that simple bend. And this definitely does look deep enough to get that proper support. We got 7/8, 5/8, 1/2 inch, 1/4 inch, 5/16, and 3/8. So plenty of different sizes. And then this is the jaw that it's going to bend around. So you can see we got two of them, and each of these jaws has two different sizes. The idea... Okay, this is actually heavier duty than I was expecting. Nice. You can see we got a little thumb bolt right here, and that is actually captured, so you don't have to worry about losing it, so that's good. But the idea is we're going to put this jaw in here, and let's say we're going to do 1/4 inch, and let's say we're going to do 1/4 inch. So we'll take our 1/4 inch die. It's got that square right there, so that is just going to sit into this ram. That is just going to press, and as the pipe hits the jaw, it's going to slowly bend around to make sure that it's got a uniform press for the entire bend. So you can go as far as you want. This can bend up to a full 90 degrees, and then when you're done, you just pull the lever forward, and it'll drop down. So very nice, easy reset. We also have two important tools right here. So we got our pipe cutter. These guys are pretty simple. Has a nice smooth action to it, so I really like that. But it's pretty simple. All you're going to do is you're going to spin this up until you get to the pipe, and you're going to spin it around. Then you give it a little turn, and you're going to spin it around again. You can keep on doing that until it bites all the way through. It also has a deburring tool. So you can push this inside the tube, spin that around. Oh, really neat. Apparently there's an extra blade that sat right inside there. That's kind of cool. It's kind of cool they give you an extra one. You just put that inside that tube, spin it around, and clean out the inside of the tube. We also have this deburring tool. So this, you can just put that on the inside of the tube, spin it around. You can even use it on the outside of the tube, spin it around, and it will cut off that sharp edge. So yeah. Very nice. So if anything, I just like having those extra things on there just so I can carry out this box and have everything I need to get that tubing ready. Instead of having to carry out like a whole bucket of things, I got everything I need right in this box. Right about there. Yeah. I just click it. So we can see that the walls held it in place. Just pop that out. We got a perfect 90 with no kinks.